How to contact Starbucks customer service. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and now search for Starbucks customer service. Now you want to tap on this website, Contact Us. Once you're here, under customer service, you can find this link, customerservice.starbucks.com. Tap on that link. Now you want to scroll down and here you can find the option on how you can contact the Starbucks customer service directly. You have the option of chatting, calling or sending a message. So you can choose any of these options as you want. You can also find the customer service hours here so you can contact them on the operational time. If you want to chat with Starbucks customer service, tap on chat with us. Then here you want to describe your issue. Then tap on didn't find an answer, chat with us. And now from here you can start chatting with the agent, and this is how you can contact Starbucks customer service. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.